Are you curious about peppermint essential oil uses? You should be because there are so many great ways to use this valuable essential oil. And in this video, we're going to dive into those top uses along with some practical ways that I use peppermint and a couple DIY recipes. Throughout human history, the peppermint herb has been valued as a multi-purpose plant and an essential oil whose components are now used by cosmetic, culinary, and health industries around the world. One of my favorite uses of peppermint is its energizing and mental clarity qualities. You can diffuse and or apply it topically when feeling fatigued, low in energy, or when you're in need of greater concentration and mental clarity. So for example, think about diffusing it when you're studying. When I used to commute, I would use it topically to stay alert during the long drive home. This powerful oil can be extremely beneficial on its own, but when you add the right combination of essential oils to peppermint oil, the synergy of the combination of oils leads to even more benefits. For example, try placing one drop of peppermint in the palm of your hands along with a drop of wild orange essential oil and inhale the combined oils by cupping your hands over your nose. This simple aromatic recipe is perfect for an invigorating midday pick-me-up. You can even make a roller bottle with equal parts of these two oils, peppermint and wild orange, and some fractionated coconut oil to easily apply to the back of your neck, along your spine, any time of the day. Peppermint is great for your health in a variety of ways. It promotes healthy respiratory function, clear breathing, and alleviates occasional stomach upset. I recently used a few drops on a piece of a paper towel for myself and my granddaughter to smell from the back seat of a car on a drive that was making us both a little bit queasy, and it worked great. It's frequently used in toothpaste and chewing gum for its oral hygiene benefits and minty freshness. You can also combine a drop with a small amount of water and swish for a refreshing mouth rinse. Alcohol-based mouthwashes have a negative effect on the microbiome in your mouth. So this natural way of freshening your mouth is so much better for your overall health. And peppermint is cooling to the body, so use it to cool off when feeling overheated, whether it's outdoors, flashing, or feeling under the weather. In the past, when I've hosted an outdoor event in my backyard on a hot day, I would even have spray bottles with water and peppermint oil for guests to spray themselves. And a little goes a long way, so start with just a few drops of peppermint to a spray bottle of water, and then shake and test it, and then add additional drops until you get your desired result. Apply peppermint to your scalp, temples, neck, and shoulders for tension relief. Also, it's great to combine with lavender and or frankincense with peppermint for this purpose. And that's also another great roller bottle combination to make. You can try this recipe here. And for those who love a chocolate mint flavor, add a drop of peppermint with chocolate to a smoothie for a refreshing twist. I like to make a pudding made with banana, avocado, cocoa powder, and a little of my homemade almond milk in a blender for a smooth chocolate treat. And I will sometimes include a drop of peppermint in that mixture for that chocolate mint combination. Peppermint also turns plain water into a cooling and refreshing treat. When the summer heat seems to overwhelm you, add one drop of peppermint oil with cut fruit like strawberries or limes for a deliciously infused water. And by adding doTERRA peppermint oil to something as simple as the water you drink, you encourage healthy respiratory function in your body while also changing up the flavor to your drinks. The soothing components found in peppermint oil make it a wonderful oil to include in massages. Try adding diluted peppermint oil to your massage experiences and enjoy the cooling feelings it brings to your skin while immersing yourself in its sweet and relaxing aroma. A great massage companion to peppermint oil is lavender. The combination of peppermint oil and lavender will produce optimal soothing feelings that will add to any massage. You can also try adding peppermint oil to your shampoo or conditioner for a stimulating hair massage that will provide the pampering your scalp deserves. And it also works great as a natural bug repellent. Many bugs and spiders dislike the potent smell of peppermint oil. Consequently, peppermint oil is used as a home remedy to repel bugs naturally. Try placing 1 to 3 drops of peppermint oil on a cotton ball and placing it in the corners of your different rooms or wherever you think these unwanted guests might be. Also, include it in your diffusing recipes to keep them away. For me personally, it was when I started using doTERRA oils in the home that having those occasional ant attacks in the house became a thing of the past. It was one of the many welcomed side benefits of using oils. And remember, when it comes to essential oils, quality matters. doTERRA's peppermint is grown in ideal conditions as well as harvested and distilled at just the right time to produce an optimum chemical profile, including high levels of menthol, which is what makes doTERRA's peppermint so effective for supporting healthy digestive and respiratory function, and the many other uses of peppermint you heard about. Many of the essential oils available in the industry contain filler substances and contaminants that weaken the purity and the power of the oil. You can learn more about doTERRA's quality and sourcing model through a link in the description of this video. Please share in the comments if you have other ways that you like to use peppermint essential oil. I appreciate you watching. As a thank you, I invite you to download my free essential oils for stress and sleep handout that you'll find in the description of this video. If you are looking for ways to consistently nurture mind-body wellness, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and hope you learned something useful. Thanks again, and sending you much peace.